Hi, this is Andie from your DataBank support team. This month I'm going to be talking about two different ways to restrict a user's ability to access or view documents in OnBase. The first way is probably going to be the easiest way, and that is to create a user group that has access to only certain documents and then put the user into that user group. But the second way is called security keywords. And that is where you can restrict a user's access right down to the individual documents. And so when they do a retrieval, the search results are going to return just the documents that they have access to see in their security keyword configuration. So to show you where that is, you'll go to the users menu in OnBase configuration, and you can do it either, you can configure the security keywords either from user groups or user names. In user groups, it's just going to be over here in the second column. And then in user names, it's going to be here, and I'll just pick one, a random one here, and then to create one, you just hit create, and then you can pick a keyword type. And then there's some conditions in here, and also a place where you can put different values. Highland has some best practices that they recommend, and of the conditions, they really don't recommend using the not equal condition. And then they also recommend not using wildcards or multiple values over here in the value section. So using security keywords can get a bit tricky, and we've seen people when they've configured a security keyword setting that the user is totally locked out of all documents. So I really recommend that you check out the MRG. There's some step-by-step instructions. It's the system admin MRG. There's a whole section on security keywords, and it includes those best practices, and that's for all versions of OnBase. And then on our community portal, we have a really good article about security keywords. And then, of course, if you do have questions or you get stuck, please reach out to us here at DataBank Support, and we'll be happy to help. Hope you have a great day.